Let's take a look at this beautiful 1990 Chevy 454 SS, RPO code B4U. Only made 3 model years, 90, 91, and 93. Publicly known and accepted as a OBS or old body style, but internally named GMT400, the fourth generation of CK series of trucks. It was introduced as a high performance variant of the C1500 and took most of its design from the Sports Equipments package that debuted in 1989 as an appearance package only for the CK1500s. The package was offered in monochrome white, black, or red paint. They had blacked out grills and side mirrors, sport decals, and body colored bumpers. Two-wheel drive models received black air dams and chrome-plated 15-inch wheels. 4x4 versions could be combined with the popular Z71 package, but only came in white. The sport decals was replaced with 4x4 decals. The 454 SS was built on the half-ton chassis, initially only coming in a monochromatic black exterior. In 1992, Chevy offered white, beige, blue, and gray. They came with a 454 SS decal, bucket seats, and console with a column shifter. Engine being a big block 454 cubic inch 7.4 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic for 1990 model year and a 4-speed automatic starting in 1991 model year. They all came with the throttle body injection system known as computer command control, not known for its horsepower only being 2 barrels, but very reliable, and known for its low-end torque for hauling. And these units are how I actually got into EFI, or electronic fuel injection. I put one of these Chevy 454 TBI units on my 455 O's in my G-body. I'm going to put a video link in the description. Y'all go check it out. I was hooked on the reliability, but it lacked the top-end power, so I ironically sold my OBS step side so I could fund my G-body build with Holley EFI. I still miss that truck today, but it was well worth it because I'm a G-body guy at heart. These TBI units made these trucks nearly indestructible. That's why you see them still on the road today. So what do you guys think of this beautiful 1990 Chevy 454 SS? Drop down in the comments and tell me what you think. And tell me, would you drive an OBS truck?